Hi guys, welcome back. So today is Tuesday the 19th of September and closing in on Malvern autumn show now. So need to start getting these long routes out. I'm not going to record me getting them down and everything again this year, just because we're in for some really bad weather. So I'm going to try and get this done as quickly as I can. But we'll pop and have a look up here and show you what's going on up there now. Right, so we've got one parsnip, one carrot and two radishes. So I'll get these pulled down, washed out, and we'll pop back in and have a look, see how they've done. But I won't give you the measurements obviously until after the show. Right then guys, so that's two down. I've done the carrot and the parsnip, and I've just broken about a foot off this carrot. Again, did the same last year, but still quite happy with the length of that one. That's not too bad. Parsnips done nowhere near as good, but I'll still be taking it with me. So just got two radishes to go, and obviously we'll take the longest one. And I've also got a salsify round the back, but I don't think that's going to be very big. Right then, so we'll get on with the rest of these later on and get back to you. Right then, so got a bit of a break in the weather, so I thought I'd carry on with these. This is the first of the radish. And not very big there, the other one's a bit bigger, but it's all what's in there that counts. So get this cover took off, get this one washed out. Right then, so that's the smaller of the two radish then. Starting to understand why a lot of people don't do this. It's quite tedious work. But I'm going to keep this one safe just in case something happens to the other one. Right then, so that's second radish done. It's definitely quite a bit longer than the first one. Quite a bit bigger at the top here. I've cleaned up these roots best I can. There's still a few little bits in them. I'm worried if I do any more, I'm going to end up breaking it. And quite happy with that, so I'm going to get that in the box and that'll be that ready to go. Just keep these damp up until we go to Malvern, keep them stacked in the boxes, and I'll just keep spraying them with some water, stop them drying out. But all in all, not too bad. Bigger than what I was expecting. Right then guys, so sorry about that. Battery died on the phone, so I didn't get to finish up outside like I wanted to. But that's all three of the long roots down and in their boxes ready to go, and the one spare radish at the top there, just in case. So if you'd like to see how I get on, please keep an eye out for a future video, and all the results will be on that, and a few of the bits from in and around the show. So thanks for watching, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now.
Oh, really? I think it's heavy as though. I think he won it this year. I got beat last year.